Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making bang bang chicken tenders. These chicken tenders are so deliciously flavorful and perfect for football season. Let's get started. We're going to start by making some batter for the chicken, so pour some buttermilk into a mixing bowl, then add some all-purpose flour. We're also adding cornstarch, hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, smush in some chicken bouillon cubes, add an egg at room temperature, then season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to toss in some chicken tenders. Toss the chicken tenders in the batter. Make sure every single piece of chicken is very well coated in the batter. Next, pour some panko breadcrumbs into a separate bowl. Go ahead and grab one chicken tender from the batter, place it into the breadcrumbs, then coat it on both sides. Make sure you coat the chicken very well in the crumbs, then set it aside onto a separate plate. Repeat the process with the rest of the chicken tenders. Once the chicken tenders have been coated, we're going to cook them. So in a hot skillet over between medium to medium-high heat, pour in some vegetable oil. We're going to kind of deep fry the chicken, so make sure you have enough oil in the pan. Once the oil gets very hot, place the chicken in there. You want to make sure your oil is very hot before you add the chicken, otherwise the chicken will become soggy. And make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. We're going to cook the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Line a plate with a paper towel. Then after the chicken tenders have finished cooking, take them out of the pan. Then set them aside onto the paper towel lined plate. You also want to check your chicken with a meat thermometer. If it reads at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, that means your chicken is fully cooked. Repeat the process with the rest of the chicken tenders. Once they have finished cooking, set them aside with the first batch. Next, we're going to make the bang bang sauce for the chicken tenders. We have some mayonnaise in this bowl. Into that, we're going to add some sweet chili sauce. We're also going to add some honey and hot sauce. You can use your favorite hot sauce. Go ahead and mix everything together. You might need to switch to a whisk, that way the sauce can mix in nice and smooth. The final step is to dip both sides of each chicken tender into the bang bang sauce. Here is the finished bang bang chicken tenders. I garnished with some fresh parsley and I served with extra sauce. This bang bang chicken tenders recipe came out very flavorful and delicious. It's the perfect bar food recipe to make for the football season. If you guys would like to try this delicious bang bang chicken recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.